Lena Bakari, the trial has resumed, but this time with only a judge, no jury. This comes after jurors complained that two of the defense lawyers were acting inappropriately. As a result, today, the judge in the case, Justice Maria Carroccia, discharged the jury, but she did not give a reason. This is now the second time in this trial that the judge has dismissed the jury since it started in late April. Over the past 3 weeks, we heard from multiple witnesses, including the complainant known as EM. She testified for 9 days about an alleged sexual assault at a London hotel room in 2018. The 5 players accused, Michael McLeod, Alex Formanton, Dylan Dubé, Callan Foote, and Carter Hart, have all pleaded not guilty. Now, this latest turn of events happened yesterday after a juror passed a note to the judge that outlined concerns with Dan Brown and Hillary Dudding, who are the lawyers representing Alex Formanton. That note reads, multiple jury members feel we are being judged and made fun of by lawyers Brown and Dudding. Every day when we enter the courtroom, they observe us, whisper to each other, and turn to each other and laugh as if they are discussing our appearance. This is unprofessional and unacceptable. This morning, Justice Carroccia called in the jury and dismissed all of them. That means this case is now proceeding with only a judge. And a statement released by Formanton's legal team denies the allegations made by the jurors, calling this an unfortunate misinterpretation. Part of that statement reads, no defense counsel would risk alienating a juror, and nothing could be further from the truth in this instance. It goes on to say, the very idea of counsel making light of a juror is illogical and runs directly counter to our purpose and function. Earlier today, we spoke to criminal defense lawyer Joseph Newberger. Here's his take on the situation.
Sometimes, certain things that you're doing, somebody can misperceive. And that's just the way it is in human nature. Somebody might think something was disrespectful or inappropriate when it was not meant that way. And we see that something happened here. And of course, the defense team just wanted to get out front and say, certainly not our intention at all. I'm not sure what has leaked to spark that kind of statement, because I don't remember a statement like that coming out in my career. But in any event, I agree with the sentiment that's expressed in the statement. They would never, ever want to alienate any member of the jury panel.
And this case resumed this afternoon with more testimony. And Lena Bakari, it is still far from over, with dozens of witnesses still set to testify.
All right, Siju Liu, live with the latest developments in our newsroom. Siju, thanks so much for this.